You can enter an expense ticket to record resources that were used for a customer, a job, or administrative purposes. You can also choose to bill your customers or jobs for charge items included on billable expense tickets. To create an expense ticket, simply select Tasks, then Time/Expense, then Expense Tickets from the menu bar to display the Expense Tickets window. First, select whether this is an expense to be recorded for an employee or a vendor by selecting the desired option button within the Whose Expense is Being Recorded section. You can then use the adjacent drop-down within the same section to select the specific employee or vendor for whom you are recording the expense. Next, within the Why is this ticket being recorded section, you use the drop-down to select whether this ticket is being recorded to be applied to a customer invoice for future billing, or to record job expenses, or is it simply being recorded for administrative purposes. If you select either the To a Customer Invoice or Against a Job choice from the drop-down, then use the adjacent drop-down that appears within the same section to select the customer or job for which this ticket is being recorded. Next, in the Item Details section, select the charge item for which you are recording an expense ticket. If the charge is to be used in future invoicing, you can enter a description that can be used within the invoice into the Invoice Description field. Then in the Ticket Details section, use the drop-down to select the date for the expense ticket. If the expense is to be reimbursed to the employee, you can check the Reimbursable to Employee checkbox. In the Billing Details section, you can use the Billing Status drop-down to select a billing status for the expense ticket if it is being recorded for a customer or a job. You can then use the Quantity, Unit Price, and/or Billing Amount fields to record the necessary information for billing the customer or job. To record the expense ticket, simply click the Save button in the toolbar at the top of the window.